What if your smartphone didn't distract you, but helped you focus instead? Imagine a phone that feels more like a book than a screen, one that thrives in sunlight, sips battery, and still connects you to everything. Meet the Bigme Hibreak S, the e-ink smartphone rewriting what a phone can be. At first glance, it looks unlike any other smartphone, and that's the point. The Hibreak S features a 5.84-inch e-ink display, perfectly readable even under blazing sunlight. When displaying text and grayscale content, it offers 1440 by 720 resolution at a crisp 276 pixels per inch. Switch to color mode, and it transforms into a gentle splash of tones, not vivid but comfortable, ideal for reading documents, browsing, or jotting notes. A built-in front light with 36 brightness levels and adjustable color temperature means you can read or work anywhere, from bright daylight to a dark bedroom. It's a design focused on comfort, simplicity, and endurance. Inside, the Hibreak S runs on an octa-core processor, paired with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, expandable via microSD. No, it's not built for heavy gaming or video streaming, but that's not its mission. This phone is built to keep distractions away and productivity close. Surprisingly, it still checks every smartphone box: a 13-megapixel rear camera, 5-megapixel front camera, speakers, and 4G LTE connectivity. And with a 3,300 mAh battery, that power-efficient e-ink display helps it last for days, not hours. It's a small powerhouse for those who prefer slow tech in a fast world. Running on Android 14, the Hibreak S gives you access to all your favorite apps, from Kindle to Evernote to Spotify, without overwhelming you with color or motion. It's a digital detox device, disguised as a smartphone. The Bigme Hibreak S is available now. $299 for the black and white model, $306.90 for the color version. Affordable, efficient, refreshingly different. In a world of screens fighting for attention, this one whispers instead of shouts. The Bigme Hibreak S, where simplicity meets smart.